He gone. That's a Roadrunner. What is up? We are on this mission of life once again. We got the boys.
What's up, boys?
What's up? Say, what's your shout outs? Hurry up.
Okay, so I was.
All right, time's up. This is. I can't even pronounce this name. Arroyo? R-A? Say that again? You got it right.
Ario de Oro.
Ario de Oro. You got that right. Good job. I did the desert run. I'm here, Arizona, and I gotta go to the bathroom so bad. Anyway, this is a beautiful park here. We got the trees that are just grown in. Plenty of shade.
Nice
What? This okay? Again, this is Aurora. I can't even say it again. Aurora de Oro Park. Okay, there it is. I got it. Fine. It's Espanol. Ha, yeah. Okay, we got bridges. We got creeks. We got beautiful trees. We got disc golf, and we got Beetlejuice. Dun, dun. Let's cut into the Beetlejuice theme song. Ready? Get into this. The snake is over there. Okay, just one little tip on this park, man. You gotta watch out for the disc golfers. These disc golfers are serious, dude. They got teams. They got like professional caddies. They got like this guy is taking forever to throw. He's got a crazy stance going. It's right here. Boom. You got it. You got it.
What happened to that?
Shoot. Whoa! See, that's the basket right there. This is the entire fairway. They're all coming in here. So, here, see? Oh, here they come. Here they come. Ooh, nice. Is this rock? Oh, this is rock.
Oh, I thought it was petrified wood.
I thought it was petrified wood too. It's a funky looking rock.
This is a chimney.
What?
This is a chimney.
It's a chimney?
This is man-made.
This is man-made.
It looks like
it does look like it's cement. That's why it's not. It's weird looking. Let me get up there.
It's not okay. See that? Oh, move. Okay. See that? It's square, perfectly shaped.
Oh, it is.
Oh, it's a chimney. What if there's a house down on
This
the
is
ground?
old, dude. Yeah, there's brick in there. See that? Hey, where are you going?
So flat.
Are you going to the top?
Yeah.
No, you're not. Like it? You love it? Want some more of it? Kit Carson Park. Okay, this is another part of the park here. The Magical Garden Trail. Okay, look, this place, the hours are weird. So it's like the first, third, and fifth Saturdays of the month. Wednesdays and Thursdays or something, they're closed. You got to check the website, dude. Their hours are so whack. You park way over there. Parking's free. And you take this dirt service road. And let's check this out. This is the Magical Circle Queen Califia's. So here's your hours right here. Second Saturdays from 9 to, I don't even know what that says. 9 to something. Thursdays, see?
That kind of.
Let's check it, dude. Oh my gosh, check that out, guys.
Some artists made this place out of glass and other minerals, so it's like it's a magical circle. It's a maze, and in the center, it's like a big bird.
It's a big bird in the center.
Yeah.
It's all glass, like stained glass. This place is insane.
And there's so many different kinds of minerals. It must have taken like forever just to make every single piece of the background, the maze.
We got it. This is the disco room right here, baby. We in that disco. This is like just the beginning right here, okay? You walk in, look at all this. This is like tile and mirror. And you go into here, foufua. Look at that. I want this stuff in my yard. It's crazy.
That one looks like a diamond.
That's sick. Look at this.
Emeralds.
Emeralds. Good. This is all emeralds. And then the wall is like one big snake. They got these totem poles. They got this big masterpiece in the center. Love the black and white right here. This is so cool, man. Good lighting. Good lighting in these mirrors right here. See that?
I was right there.
Any boogers? No?
I was right here.
You were right over there?
Uh-huh. And then I saw you in the mirror when
This
you
is
turned
nice.
around,
Look at this.
and then I moved over there.
Man, so what do you think? He gave it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, totally free. Again, check the hours. It's a crapshoot. You gotta check the website.
So the kids that are watching this,
Yeah.
great place for hide and seek. Make sure you bring like a lot of friends.
Yeah, great place for hide and seek. It looks like they put a lot of time and work into this place. Hours I can't tell you the hours. I don't know. So, but it's free. Everything's free. Come check it out. 10 out of 10. So we got about a couple months for summer.
Yeah.
And I wanted to drop Pool Hunters Season 3.
No way.
This summer.
No way.
It's going down, dude. This is gonna be the best Pool Hunters. It just keeps getting better, okay? I've gone way above and beyond Vegas. Way above and beyond the Great Wolf Lodge. I don't know if I should, drop the name right now because it's a couple months away still. And whoever watches our Pool Hunters all seasons, they're gonna get. We don't want to spoil it. We don't want to spoil it yet. But all I could tell you guys is that Pool Hunters Season 3, we need passports to get there. So, all right, we out here. We got our room. No van life yet. Still wasting money on hotel rooms. But we got a jacuzzi.
And pool.
203. Right here, baby. You know how we get down.
I got the